I love it. It's so colorful. Yo, wait. Your shirt is orange. Oh, it matches with my shirt.
Yeah, it matches with his shirt.
Oh, shoot.
Well, you have some. Well, he's 10 months old and he's walking around like.
Let me turn.
Okay.
That push. I know it's getting to.
Hello everyone, it's La Rosa. Today I have this beautiful, luxurious, nice looking suitcase from Bduck store. Make sure you check them out. I'm excited. I mean, it's probably supposed to be for kids, but I have a feeling I'm gonna be the one to use it. Let's see what it looks like first of all. I had picked one. That one was like, I don't know, 100 and something or 200 and something dollar one. And I'm like, and they said, this is one up for they said this is one up for promotion. Oh my goodness. See guys. Hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about this. So this is the beautiful suitcase, the Bduck 20 inches, kids carry-on luggage, rolling suitcase, blah blah blah. This is the beautiful write-up. It is $99.99, and I wanted this one so bad. This $209.99. Yep, that was the one I wanted, but they said it wasn't up for promotion. This is so cute. Okay, let's go back to my regular one. Okay, so this is it. This is the measurement from there to there is 19.7 inches. Then from that one to this other side is 21.7 inches, 9.4 inches from this side to this side, and then over here is the 14.2 inches. I know you guys can say it, but just for the sake of the captions, so you can record it out. This is cute. Look at all that compartment, and then here it says double row silence universal wheels, TSA custom password lock. Okay, that's good. Durable explosion proof zipper, so your zipper cannot explode, guys. And then adjustable aluminum alloy pull rod, so that means it's actually aluminum, so hopefully it doesn't start wearing out soon. And that is it. This is really cute. Oh, this is that one that I wanted selfishly. nice one. Their store is Bduck Plus store. Please check them out. Now let's continue. Whoa. In $99, scratch that. $100, I don't know how much it stacks. Plus, oh, 99. Let's just keep it as it is. $99.99. Look at that. It has this protective covering. Oh my goodness. Even if we're not traveling, we must travel because of this. This is so nice. Look. Oh my goodness. Everything and more. You guys have seen the measurements already, like they said. Okay, 360 rolling. We see they're rolling. I can't wait to show. I'm gonna show to my kids and watch their reaction. Yes, I have to bring it closer. Look at that, guys. Look at all this write-up. Be a duck lover. They had a whole lot of stuff on their website, a whole lot of cute clothes, shirt. I mean, like shoes, really nice kid stuff also. Look at that. It's not easy to be playful when we are all so caught up, in the stress of everyday life. Oh my God. As well as all of the serious problems in the world. I'm keeping this. Me. I mean, like I will use it for the kids. I'm keeping it for myself. Now, look at this. Look at that. It has the lock thingy. You're not gonna do like me, who will carry actual physical padlock and lock these two parts. That's what I do when I used to travel back home. Okay, now how do we remove this? See, I don't know yet. Let's figure it out. How is this really nice? finishing here. I figured it out. So for this, it becomes like this. Yeah. Are you ready? Let's go. What? Close it. What? This is really nice. This is really nice. This is the inside. Has all the cute ducky thingy. Look at the zip. Look at the zipper, guys. It's a dog feet, if I'm not mistaken. Look, Bduck, Bduck. I'm glad none of my kids' name starts with a B. If not, they would have automatically claimed it's theirs. So you have this space here where you can put whatever and cover it up. In my own case, probably underwear. And then we have this inner zip. Look, hide whatever you want to hide. Legal stuff, of course. But the kids will be so... I want to see that reaction, guys. I want to see that reaction. Look at this. And then you have your zipper down here. You have that in there too. You guys, the link is going to be in my description box. The link is going to be in my description box. And then you read all about it. I'm also going to copy their description. Look, this is really nice. Now, let's see. We're not traveling anywhere, but I got to make something happen. This is really nice. This is beautiful. Also has this little right up here. Guys, just look at this. Just look at this. This is beyond amazing. Thank you so much, Bduck. I love the material. It looks luxurious, and it also looks like it's gonna be here. It's durable. It looks very durable. It's gonna be here for a while. Like it's gonna last long. I will update as time goes on and see. Okay, let me go grab one of them. This is really thoughtful. You guys, please check them out. All right, come and see the suitcase. Let me come and see. Okay, so what do you think? They gifted us to make a review. What do you think? Guess what? Let me show you the front. What do you think?
I love it. It's so colorful. Yo, wait. Yeah, sure. It's orange. Oh, it matches with my shirt.
Yeah, it matches with his shirt.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, well, you have some. The one is he's 10 months old and he's walking around like this. You like it?
Sure.
Now we have to just plan a trip.
So at the back, it says, "Be playful."
Yes,
it's not easy to be playful, but we're also caught up in the stress of everyday life, even in the day life as well as all the serious problems in the world. Changing the way you see things can help keep the mood playful and cheerful.
Yes. It helps keep the mood playful and cheerful. I love it. Can you tell them thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you, Bduck.
Thank you, Bduck.
Say thank you, Bduck.
Make you Bduck.
This is how durable it is. Let's put this. How many pounds? 10-month-old. How many pounds? 10-month-old on it. Jojo. Joel loves it. Loves it. Yeah. You like it? You like it? You like it? Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next videos.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
You guys, check out our channel on No Just Playtime. Bye-bye.
Let me turn.
Okay.
That much. I know it's getting too close.
Jojo.
The love
Like it?
house.
Yeah. You see that rolling? Jojo, bye-bye.